What's up, you guys? So we're back in the shop working on the 2002 Project Zeforce C5. We're trying to make it down on these parts, but mainly what we're getting to today is we are gaining access to that guy right there. So stay tuned, a lot involved. right, so we got to the clutch. So you can see excessive heat here and here, but there's not really a whole lot of feel to it, so it's really not in bad shape. We're still going to send this out to the machine shop and get them to resurface it. All right, you guys, so we got the flywheel sitting in the office ready to be resurfaced, so that'll get done, and when that comes back, we will start installing the rest of these parts. I have a rear main seal I'm going to be installing in this, as well as the new pilot bearing. Then we'll slap the resurfaced flywheel back on there, and then we're going to install the spec stage 3 plus clutch, followed by a new slave cylinder as well as a remote bleeder, and then we can button up the torque tube, get everything back installed, the shifter, the rear suspension, and then finish up the fuel pump as well as the exhaust. I've got these long tubes sitting over here that are Koch's 1 7/8 long tubes, stainless steel, full all the way back to the factory Z06 titanium exhaust. So once that's done, we're going to lower the car, we're going to start taking off the front end and install all the rest of the supercharger components. So you definitely don't want to miss this. Definitely stay tuned. If you enjoyed it, definitely drop a like. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.